Here it is, my easy oven-baked rice and beans. I just topped it with a little vegan sour cream and fresh cilantro, and it smells amazing. I love a one-pot dish. Just mix everything together, bake it, and you're done. Let me show you how easy it is to make. We're starting with some fresh ingredients. I'm cutting up a red bell pepper. You could also use a green bell pepper, an orange, yellow, whatever you may have on hand. I'm also using a red onion. You could use a red, you could use a yellow, depending what you have on hand. And I'm mixing in some chopped spinach, but you could also substitute with some kale or Swiss chard, whatever you have in the refrigerator. And you can also use frozen veggies too. That would work really great in this one pot dish. And you can substitute some mushrooms or zucchini. So you could just build this thing based on what you have currently in the refrigerator. Now let's put this all together. So in an oven-safe dish, I will be adding in 1 cup of brown rice, but you could also substitute white rice. And I will be putting in 1 can of black beans, which have been rinsed and drained. You could also substitute kidney beans or even chickpeas, depending on what you have on hand and what you like. Next, I'm going to be putting in about 1.5 cups of salsa. You could use your favorite salsa from mild to hot, depending on how you like things. And I'm just going to stir that all together. Now I'm going to season it up with some smoked paprika, some cumin, and a little bit of chili powder. And stir that together. I'm also adding a little bit of black pepper and some salt. And then I'll just stir that all together. Now I'm going to add in the chopped up veggies. So I have my red onion, some bell pepper, and I'll mix in some of the green spinach. Now that everything's in the casserole, I'm adding in about 1.5 cups of water. You could also substitute veggie broth if you want some extra flavor. Then I'm giving it a good mix to make sure all the rice and seasonings are well combined. Once that's done, I'm going to cover it tightly with some foil to keep the moisture in while it bakes. Now it goes into a preheated oven at 375 degrees for about 45 to 50 minutes for white rice and closer to about 50 to 60 minutes for brown rice. Just let the oven do the work. Once it's done baking, take it out of the oven and leave it covered for about 10 minutes. This helps the rice steam and finish cooking. It makes it nice and fluffy. Well, after letting it sit for about 10 minutes, it's ready to serve. This is a complete meal all in one dish. Fluffy rice, protein-packed beans, and plenty of veggies, all baked together for an easy, no-fuss dinner. I love how simple this is to make, and you can customize it to however you like. Add more veggies, switch up the beans, or top it with your favorites like a little sour cream, fresh cilantro, or a squeeze of lime, or even some avocado. Want the full recipe? Click the link below. Let me know how you make yours in the comments. And if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy plant-based recipes. Happy cooking!